Welcome back to another episode of How Farms. Today, guys, we are out here on the property that I have my mineral site. Today, we're going to be bush hogging. All right, the reason I'm out here bush hogging is I'm a firm believer if someone allows you to hunt on their property for free, you either do as much work as possible for them if they hunt it as well, you give them some of the meat of the deer that you take on their property, or you pay them for like a lease. But since I hunt here for free, and these people do eat deer meat, but they don't eat a lot of it, but they hunt out here a lot. So I asked him, is there any way I could help? And he said, you know what, come over here. On today we're gonna bush hog and I'll just let you have at it. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. And also we may go over to where my mineral site is and we may get a stand hung. I wanna try to hunt over there close to it by that slough because I know a lot of the deer are going through there and they're not necessarily coming all the way over here to where we are at, but we're gonna try to get a stand hung. So today, I'm out here on this John Deere 5065E with a bush hog, and we're gonna get everything bush hog for him today.
The place I put this basket, I set it up. Never did hunt it. Don't hunt it. Every time I started to hunt it, I thought, nah, I'm gonna hunt over here. One day I was hauling, but we was all had messed around too much at the deer camp. Cleaned it, I don't remember what the purpose was. But anyway, it was late getting out that evening. And I said, I want to hunt that thing. I said, nah, I'm gonna just run down to that field below it. Went by it on the four-wheeler. There was a field and then a lane.
You gonna cut all these off?
Yeah. Oh, and so anyway, I blowed by it.
Biggest deer you seen in your life?
Blowed by it. There's an 8-point down there. It wasn't no big, just huge 8-point, about a 120 class.
Yeah, but it make you sick.
Listen, brother. That sucker was standing there and he watched me blow by. And the field was probably 80 feet long. 80 yards long, 100 yards maybe field.
He didn't even check up, did he?
I blowed by. He's standing in the logging road. There was a road going out the back of it, which we planted. It was an old logging road, and I had my stand at the end of that road. He's standing in that road, and he watches me blow by. And I'm looking at him, and he just watches me. And at first, I thought he was a mannequin. I thought, somebody's done planted one of them stupid, dumb, deers out here. So I get down to the end, I just slam on brakes. I got my gun out of the boot. I said, I'm just gonna see. He may stay there.
You're not one of those
I run.
superstitious guys, are you?
I run all the way up to the middle of that field, looking at him. I'm running now, got my gun, looking at him. But he's just standing there. Pulled my scope up, said, he's old enough. Pow! I got him hanging on the wall.
Well, there you have it. I got a lot of bush hogging done today for the landowner. We also got a stand hung, which he helped me do, as you've seen that. I know there's not a lot of talking in this video. We were trying to get a lot of work done today, so I didn't get a chance to stand in front of the camera and talk, but I did get a chance to video all of it. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. And till next time, I'll see you on the farm.